I feel at peace today and embrace the rest I deserve. I release all tension and welcome relaxation for both my mind and body. I trust that everything is unfolding for my highest good. I am grateful for all that today has brought, and I look forward to the blessings of tomorrow. I am proud of my achievements today, no matter how small they may seem. My mind is calm, my body is relaxed. I give thanks for tomorrow, a new day. I am loved, and I allow others to love me. I am deeply grateful for everything I have in my life, grateful for this very moment, for every breath and sensation I am experiencing right now. I feel relaxed, and I am deeply satisfied with my achievements. Everything is unfolding perfectly in this moment. I attract everything I desire into my life. I am grateful for my life. I am thankful for my heart, for it is always here, beating tirelessly without rest. Every day, I offer love, passion, talent, and joy as gifts to the world. I am generous and kind to everything and everyone around me. I have faith in the universe. No matter the circumstances, I am doing my best. I am filled with energy. Every day, I am transforming myself for a better life. I am grateful for life. I am strong. I am beautiful. Today, I welcome limitless positive energy. Today, I give unconditional love. Every day, I face challenges with confidence. I am grateful for my beautiful and strong body, thanking it for carrying out all the tasks of daily life. I am thankful for my eyes, nose, mouth, skin, my hands, feet, and every organ in my body that helps me experience this beautiful world. Today, I learn and grow, becoming a better person. This day is filled with countless opportunities. Today, I no longer feel fear. I feel completely safe because I know the universe is supporting me. I understand that the universe wants me to achieve goals beyond what others can reach. I am destined for success. For every memory, action, support, encouragement, every challenge and growth in my life, I am grateful. I know it's all part of a divine plan. All of these are angels guiding me. I thank the universe and appreciate the challenges in my life. For now, I see that every challenge is a blessing from above. Each challenge has made me stronger. Through every experience, I know I am growing. I give thanks. I am grateful for all the obstacles in my life, for they have guided me and given me a complete life experience. They have all brought me to this very moment, a peaceful moment, a moment filled with tranquility and happiness. I welcome this new day with joy and confidence. Each day is a gift, and each day is a beautiful one. I am fortunate to experience everything life has to offer. I look forward to each new day and everything that may come. In everything I do, I find joy. Wherever I go, I am warmly welcomed. All of my relationships are harmonious and balanced. When faced with challenges, I focus only on solutions. At all times, I am filled with productivity and motivation. I choose to feel free and inspired. I am grateful to be alive, and I am thankful for this very moment. I choose love, and I am surrounded by love. I am surrounded by people who support my dreams, offering genuine feedback and unwavering confidence in me. My skin radiates beauty and health. I love and accept myself just as I am, and that is why everything works in my favor. Amazing things are about to happen to me. I honor this day with love and kindness. I will give my best today, so that when I rest tonight, I will feel completely fulfilled. I am deeply grateful for my family, friends, loved ones, and colleagues. I appreciate everyone who has crossed paths with me in my life. In this very moment, I have everything I need. I am filled with hope and courage. Love, joy, and peace are my natural states of being. Today, I will have so much fun. I see the world through the eyes of gratitude and grace. I live fully in the present, cherishing every minute and every second of each day. My life is a miracle, and I view the world with awe and wonder. Today, I feel safe. The universe is protecting, supporting, and nurturing me. I am thankful for my work, for it challenges me and helps me grow. I have strong confidence in this new day. Today, I will only encounter kind and generous people. I can make myself heard and seen. Every word I speak today is filled with power and kindness. This day is light and comfortable. My body has all the energy I need to carry me through the day. I welcome beauty, and beauty welcomes me. No matter what happened yesterday, I choose to forgive myself for any mistakes I made. All my wishes and needs will be fulfilled effortlessly. Today, everything positive and helpful comes my way. Every moment of today brings more wealth and health into my life. I am surrounded by positive people and attract even more like them. My mind is open, ready to seize every opportunity each day brings. Today, I will not judge others or situations. I choose to focus only on positive thoughts and feelings. I welcome each day with joy and confidence. I am at peace with myself, and I am in my best state all day long. I am free and fearless. I release all past limitations I've placed on myself. I embrace and appreciate every opportunity that comes my way. Today will be even better than I expected. I choose to listen to what my body tells me. I am in control of my life. I recognize and take pride in all that I do. I know clearly that I am important and valuable. I am blessed in so many ways. Everything happening around me is working in my favor. I am intelligent. I am a person of action. Today, no situation will disturb my inner peace. Peace, joy, and all that I need will come to me at the perfect time. I approach everyone I meet with patience. Whatever I do today has the potential to create a lasting impact on tomorrow. I choose to focus on doing only good things. I surround myself with people who uplift and make me feel great. I am filled with confidence and vitality. I take pride in myself and everything I accomplish today. With an open heart and mind, I fully embrace this new day. I am generous and kind to everyone and everything around me. Each day, I am making positive changes to create a better life.